how to connect Printify to eBay. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you the very simple process on how to connect your Printify account and start your business together with eBay by simply following what we're going to do. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to select this option over here on the top right, our option to add a new store. Over here, as you can see, I don't have any store connected yet. This is a very fresh account. And you're simply going to select here, add a new store. If you already have a store connected, you will select manage my store. So over here, as you can see, in this page, this is where you will be able to see all your different sales channels, all kinds of stores that you are actually able to connect to. You can see here in kind of the middle, you will be able to see that you have the eBay option. So simply select that, and then you're going to be asked the different questions over here. So simply fill in all the information over here, such as creating your store, creating an eBay account, registering for a seller account, then payment method, and confirming everything. And after all of this process, you will then be able to connect your Printify together with your eBay. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.